Parents often shame and judge their adult children for not talking to them, for creating distance from them, for not meeting them as much as they used to earlier. वो ना अपने दिमाग में एक नैरेटिव बना लेते हैं, एक स्टोरी बना लेते हैं दैट वी आर द विक्टिम्स, कि हमें हमारे बच्चे भूल चुके हैं, हमारे बच्चों को अब हमारी जरूरत नहीं है, तो उन्होंने हमें अबैंडन कर दिया है। दे ऑफन एक्ट लाइक कि वो बहुत बेचारे हैं, उनके साथ बहुत गलत हो रहा है, एंड दे पुट ऑल द ब्लेम ऑन देयर चिल्ड्रन। दे मेक देम लुक सो बैड। वो अपने बच्चों को अनग्रेटफुल और सेल्फिश बोलते हैं, और वो अपने सारे रिलेटिव्स और सोसाइटी को यही स्टोरी सुनाते हैं टू गेन दैट सिंपैथी एंड सपोर्ट फ्रॉम देम। उनकी स्टोरी कुछ इस तरह से साउंड करती है: हमने अपने बच्चों के लिए इतना कुछ किया, हमने उन्हें अच्छे से अच्छे स्कूल में भेजा, हमने उनकी परवरिश में कोई कमी पेशी नहीं छोड़ी, हम उनके साथ हर स्पोर्ट्स मीट में जाते थे, हम उनको डांस की प्रैक्टिस के लिए लेके जाते थे, हम उनके लिए उनके फेवरेट टॉयज भी लेके आते थे, हम उनके लिए दिन रात लगे रहते थे, हम उनके लिए उनका फेवरेट खाना बनाते थे, हम उनकी हर जरूरत का ध्यान रखते थे। वी डिड सो मच फॉर आवर चिल्ड्रन, वी डिड द बेस्ट वी कुड, बट डिड यू? अपने आप से ऑनेस्टली ना ये सवाल करो, आपकी पेरेंटिंग का रियल जज आप खुद होगे या वो इंसान होगा जो उसके रिसीविंग एंड पे था? Which means your children. Your children know better how you showed up for them as a parent. But unfortunately, when they tell you that, you don't believe their experience. I want to know, were you there for your children when they made mistakes, or were you the one always punishing them because they were not perfect? And when they used to cry, were you there to hug them? Were you there to console them, to ask them how they are feeling? Or were you too distracted with your own life, your work, your household chores, your own dysregulated emotions? सच में सोचना कि आप अपना एंगर और फ्रस्ट्रेशन अपने बच्चों पर निकालते थे because you know that they cannot do anything, they cannot fight back. In the name of being strict and disciplining them, were you killing their authentic voice? Were you their safe space, or were you the one they were afraid of the most? It's so convenient to erase half of the history or more in order to justify your pain and suffering and make them feel guilty and make them feel like they are the bad ones or they are doing something wrong. पेरेंट्स कितनी आसानी से भूल जाते हैं all the unhealthy things that they did to their own children, all the pain and trauma they caused to their own children growing up. आपको अभी भी अपना ही पेन दिखाई देता है कि मेरा बच्चा मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा, मेरा बच्चा दूर हो गया है, या मेरा बच्चा मेरी परवाह नहीं करता. You are still so self-centered. You are not at all concerned about what made them take such a big decision and what role you played into pushing them so far away. Love is not only measured by freshly cooked meals, by your school fees, by the toys you brought them, or the money you spent on them. Love is measured by whether your child felt safe enough to come to you. Were you the loving, caring, and present parent that they needed while they were growing up? Or were you the one they were most afraid of and wanted to get away from as soon as possible?